Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
You begin by confirming what you have. Use CPU-Z to read SBD and current timings so you know the baseline. Once done, create a BIOS profile backup and write down primary values: CAS, TRCD, TRP, TRAS, and voltage. Then restart and enter the BIOS Advanced or Extreme Tweaker page. Make sure to disable Automatic XMP/doc if enabled so you can adjust timings manually. You must start here to avoid guessing and to keep a restore point ready in case changes fail. You now tackle the complex middle. Change primary timing stepwise to tighten latency. Start by lowering CAS by 1 cycle, save, and reboot to test stability. If the system fails, increase DRAM voltage by 0.05 to 0.1 V. Make sure to stay within safe specs from your RAM and motherboard. Once stable, adjust TRCD, then TRP, then TRAS, always testing after each change. This method reduces guesswork and explains why small steps prevent crashes and data corruption. You finish by validating the new timings with thorough testing. Boot memtest 86 or run HCI memtest for multiple passes. Make sure to capture errors. If issues appear, revert the last timing change immediately or raise voltage in conservative steps, then retest. Once stable, save the final BIOS profile and monitor system behavior for several days under normal workloads. One key troubleshooting tip: if you get persistent post failures, clear CMOS to restore defaults, then recover your saved profile.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.